Hey friends, what's up? So a few days back, I had posted a video in my channel, okay, and it was called Building on 2024, Soaring into 2025. Okay. If you have seen this video, and scroll down a little bit. So I had spoken about what I plan to do in 2025. Okay. And if you see, the first one was complete the RMCS playlist. Then we had the advanced projects. Then we have subscription management. We also have procurement, advanced collections, OM and SCFO foundations, the wow factor, and the special requirements. In addition to that, I was also planning to show you some best practices, which I already started, and something more on the release management area, and on the allocations. All that is going to happen. In fact, from this list, as I had committed what I'll be planning to do in 2024 or 25, the first one is already completed. Okay. So I need to start doing the remaining. So definitely, for me to do that, I will need your support, because the number of likes, number of comments, and the watch hours I'm getting are not enough at all. So definitely, if you keep watching and liking and commenting, that will help me create more and more videos for you. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is, you can also go into my channel to see what are the different playlists which are currently available, because I think many folks are not familiar with what playlists are currently available for them to review. Okay, so let me quickly go over. Although I've done that multiple times in different videos, but for any new joiners, I would definitely want them to know what is available in this channel, because that will help a lot. And I mean, those people can also definitely watch this one, the one which I was just showing you, right? This one also tells a lot about what is currently there and how it is going to benefit for what kind of people. It's going to tell you a lot. But coming back to our playlist itself, so this is one of the playlist, okay, where I've discussed about myself, and then I've mentioned about my plans for the future. Anything which is not a topic related, but generic stuff about my channel, what is my plan in future, that sort of things. That's in this, and it'll give you a good perspective. But excluding that, which playlist do I call as a number one playlist for me? And that is your uh, project accounting. So if you come here, this has about 4,496, 4,500 views so far. There are 33 videos. And if you complete these 33 videos, it means you are able to start working on a project. Okay, obviously, there are a lot of advanced concepts which I'll be covering in 2025 series and as part of advanced projects. But at the same time, this has about 10 to 12 hours of content. If you look at it overall, right, 33 videos. If you read this, if you listen to this, if you try this out in your machine, in your instance, I'm sure that you will be project ready. Okay. In fact, I'm building a team where I need good resources. And I've also encouraged them to watch these videos so that they can be project ready. And when we execute a project together, I don't have to go and repeat myself to them. Right. So that's how I'm going to execute this. This is my number one playlist. Okay. My second good playlist is revenue management, your RMCS module. Now that's also having 2,500 views so far, and it's got about 26 videos. There has been good feedback about this video. Okay. Some people have even told me that it's better than what Oracle teaches. Okay. Because I myself struggled a lot when I was preparing for this module. And definitely, there was a lot of struggle, and I wanted to help people who are trying to learn this. So my perspective I've added onto it in addition to what Oracle teaches you. But you need to take it forward, in the sense I've given you the foundational knowledge. Now you can take it. If you're planning to implement RMCS, this should be your first place to go. And then if you're still not clear, obviously, you can take any paid sessions outside, but this one is completely free for you. All you need to do is listen end to end, watch them end to end, practice on your instance, and then you're good to go. Okay. So that's your second module in complete end to end series. Okay. That's your revenue and projects. In addition to that, I've also done channel revenue management. Look, yeah, this one. Now, this one is a new module or new functionality which has been added to both OM as well as AR. So it works as a O2C process, but it's a parallel O2C process. So if you do these videos, now if you see, even this has about 1,500 views, 1,600 views, right? There are only 13 videos, and if you see them end to end, then you will be able to configure your system. You will be able to do channel revenue management. You will be able to do the deductions, rebates, and promotions within Oracle. So this is also completely end to end. Okay. Now the fourth one, which is again completely end to end, is your credit card process. So I worked on some projects where I worked with external companies like CyberSource, where I have work. I mean, which is used for making credit card payments by the customers, not the supplier. This is on the customer side. Okay. So you can use this. Now, this may be not 100% hands on because obviously CyberSource is an external system. So we cannot have 100% hands on. And this was my first, in fact, playlist when I started this series. Okay. So, but still, this is good enough. In fact, people have used this. Let's see how many views we got. People have used this. It's got about 2,000 views in about 4 to 5 months. Okay. And people have used this and they have actually configured CyberSource end to end. Okay. So this will definitely help you. So those are my complete playlists. But in addition to that, right, there are some other smaller playlists which are ongoing, kind of, which I will be continuing. And the supply chain, the procurement, the inventory, all these things I'm doing as I'm learning, because I use them in my project. So as I'm learning some new concept, I'm trying to add them. And these, I'm not claiming to be an expert in these areas. The reason is I'm more of a financial guy. But obviously, nowadays you need to be all rounder. You need to know more modules, right? So this is why I have been doing these, and I work as a finance and procurement lead myself. So I thought I'll put together that kind of playlist. So I'll keep adding more in supply chain, procurement, and inventory playlist also. Okay. And then there is something called customer management. So different ways we can deal with the customers, whether it's order management, customer experience, AR itself. So you should check out some special videos on how customers is handling customer configuration is handled, like parent child customers, customer hierarchies, and things like that. So that's covered over here. And inventory, yeah, this is also similar to this one, credit management. So your orders are getting placed, they are going into a hold status, then your credit manager is coming and releasing the orders. So that concept is here. You can definitely look at that. Okay. Customer hierarchy, customer credit management, and this customer management, they all go together. Okay. And these are just some reels before I go to the other one. So a complementary to credit card is your bill management module. So if a customer can log in directly and make payments through his credit card, through a customer portal, like just like your supplier portal, we have a customer portal. You can use this module. Okay. So those were all Oracle related, 90-95%. There is one which is called Oracle Cloud and Generative AI. Okay. So here I have 10 videos, okay, in which I've explored different functionalities which are currently popular. That is your RAG, retrieval augmented generation, product recommendations, customer segmentation, sales forecasting, logistic regression. All these are different machine learning, deep learning, generative AI algorithms. And I have done some proof of concept because I keep doing these kind of projects for my clients. So I try to create a playlist out of that so that can benefit people who want to do similar activities. So check this one out. Okay. So definitely, team, coming back to my homepage, if you want me to keep making such interesting videos, obviously you need to help me back. And how you can help me is by doing this. Okay, this one right here. I will make you project ready, but you need to listen to this video. I don't want to repeat what I said in this video, but if you see this, you'll understand what my expectations are. And you can also buy me a cup of coffee, and this will tell you how. All right, team. So thank you so much for your time. I'll talk to you soon in the next session. Bye.